Okay, this is John. I'm just doing a little bit different now. I don't have the light on, that's why it's probably a little dark. I'm looking at the manual on the computer monitor and trying to figure out how to get this to work. You're supposed to be able to hook it up to view the thing on the computer while you're doing this like a webcam, but it's not working. So there must be something in here to do it. Apparently you can download the manual from the Samsung website, but it's also on the CD. So I'm lucky I was able to do this. And I found out something about my disk drive on my computer. It's able to hold many DVDs. So I think that's pretty cool in itself. So I'm just yakking to myself, looking like an idiot. But that's what we mass racers do, doesn't it? On the YouTube. Oh, I ain't gonna put this on no website. I don't even know if this thing's working. Oh well. Hey, wait a minute. What the hell am I doing? Okay, let's try to figure out that. Okay. Got that. Look up video modes. You do it by the format. So. Oh snap, I gotta recharge. No wonder it's not doing nothing. Okay folks, that's it. Time to recharge. And bye bye.